So what is the difference between a copied sketch and a derived sketch? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, it's Solidworks here. I have a simple cube with a sketch on one of its faces. It is fully defined with an indicated length and width, and is also constrained with respect to the origin. Now I want to copy this sketch over to another face of the cube. There are two ways to go about doing this. The first way will be to hold down the Ctrl key and drag the sketch from the Feature Manager tree onto the face that you need. Let go of your mouse before letting go of your Ctrl key. If you let go of the Ctrl key before the mouse, this becomes a move operation. So let's open a copied sketch. You can see that the length and the width have the same dimensions as the original sketch, but we are free to position the rectangle. It is important to take note that the dimensions of the copied sketch do not reference that of the original sketch. Changing the dimensions in the original sketch will not affect the dimensions in the copied sketch. Let's delete away the copied sketch. A second way of copying sketches is to use the Derived Sketch option. Ctrl select the sketch in the Feature Manager tree and the face, and search for the Derived Sketch option in the command search bar. Immediately, we are brought into the sketch mode on that surface with the copied sketch entity. Now let's try to dimension the copied sketch. You can see that we are not able to do so. The dimensions of this rectangle are in reference to the original rectangle. The only thing that we can do here is to set the position of the rectangle with respect to, for example, the origin. When we exit from the sketch, we can see the word Derive feature in our Feature Manager tree. If we change the dimensions of the original sketch, let's change it to 5 for the width. You can see that the dimensions of the derived sketch have been changed as well. So that's all for today's tip. I will see you in the next one.